Okay, so editor tab completion, and this enables tab completion. So let me show you what this looks like. By default, this is off. So if you begin writing a little bit of code and you press tab to accept a suggestion, and you keep pressing tab, you accept a suggestion and then you keep adding tabs in front of that. If you turn it on, this is what happens. You press tab first to accept a suggestion, and if you keep pressing tab, you're going to iterate through all the suggestions that were given to you, right? Obviously, if you want to add tabs, you can just use a space and then add tabs. The other option is only snippets, and this works best when quick suggestions aren't enabled. So let me show you what that looks like. Because if quick suggestions are enabled, it kind of defeats the purpose of having this option. So only snippets means that, suggestions are enabled now, so that won't work. So only snippets works like this. If you match the snippet prefix and you press tab, it's going to insert the snippet. Obviously, if you write 4 and you manually choose one of these snippets, like this would be a snippet whose prefix we're matching, and we press tab, you insert the snippet. But we have also auto suggestions, quick suggestions turned on. So let's turn them off so you can see this working. Now, when we write something now, we don't have quick suggestions anymore. We turn them off, right? But if we select a prefix that is related to a snippet and you press tab, it's actually going to insert that snippet, right? And you can do this with any snippet, really. So this is useful. However, you don't get IntelliSense, right? You don't get to see all the other good stuff. If I write proc, I would like to see process video and immediately select that suggestion, so I don't have to write the whole thing. So this option isn't really very useful. And tab completion, what I mean is having this turned on isn't very useful. So let's turn it on, which defeats the purpose of this last option, only snippets. Then we just need to decide between on and off. Honestly, I think it's more intuitive to leave it as off, because it's more intuitive to just write something and use the arrow keys if you need to, or just keep writing what you need to write in order for the suggestion that you actually want to be in first place, and you just press enter or something like that. Enter or tab. So yeah, I'm going to leave this option in its default state, which is off.